Welcome to our YouTube feature presenting the pinnacle of solar charging innovation, the Allpowers 600 watts foldable solar charger. This groundbreaking device, alongside the Allpowers SP039 monocrystalline portable solar panel waterproof IP67RV solar panel kit, emerges as the best of 2024. Harnessing the power of the sun, these foldable marvels redefine sustainable energy solutions. Join us as we delve into the future of eco-friendly technology. Allpowers 600 watts foldable solar charger is your ultimate companion for uninterrupted power supply. With its unmatched combination of performance, durability, and portability, this charger empowers you to embrace the great outdoors without compromise. At the core of the Allpowers 600 watts solar panel lies its remarkable capability to deliver 44 volts of immense power, catering to the energy needs of solar generators with ease. Unlike conventional alternatives, this charger is engineered with a focus on convenience and mobility. Featuring 6 foldable panels, it effortlessly folds down to a compact size of only 23 by 35 inches, ensuring hassle-free transportation wherever your journey takes you. Remarkably lightweight at just 27 pounds, the Allpowers sets a new standard in portability, outperforming its competitors by a significant margin. While traditional 400 watts panels weigh over 30 pounds, the Allpowers 600 watts solar panel offers superior power in a lighter, more manageable package. Made with monocrystalline silicon, this charger boasts unparalleled efficiency, capable of converting up to 23% of sunlight into usable electricity. Such high efficiency not only saves valuable space but also shortens charging times, ensuring that you stay powered up even on cloudy days. Allpowers 600 watts solar panel is engineered to withstand the harshest of conditions, from freezing temperatures to scorching heat. Its robust construction ensures resilience against scratches, dust, and water splashes, providing peace of mind even in the most demanding environments. Experience the freedom of limitless energy and embark on your next adventure with confidence, powered by the Allpowers 600 watts foldable solar charger. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.